more stress. Second topic is the heat balance sheet. What is the heat balance sheet? It is the tabulated. It is a tabulated. Simply that is the our heat balance sheet. You can, that is the tabular form in which complete record of heat supplied. Here a complete record of the heat supplied and heat rejected by an IC engine during certain time, means the heat record are available here, but this heat record analysis in certain time, dependent upon certain time. That time is minute, hour, 1 day, 2 day. That analysis he depended upon time. You see, that is the heat input, that is heat output. Here are heat input and heat output are analysis are record in tabulated form. So that sheet is known as the heat balance sheet. First is the heat input. What is the heat input? Heat produced inside engine due to combustion of fuel. You know, in internal combustion engine, our fuel are burned, then heat are produces. That heat Q is equal to Q inlet. Q is equal to mass of fuel into calorific value. Calorific value of the fuel. That is the that heat is known as the heat supplied. MF is the mass of fuel. C is the calorific value of the fuel. You see that in figure, that is our engine. In engine, fuel and air mixture are come, then the burn, then the generate the heat. That is the heat input. Second, heat output. Heat output, this input heat, where are these heat input are utilized. That means output heat. Output heat is the basically 4 type of heat. First is the heat equivalent to brake power. You know, the heat energy due to inside cylinder pressure and temperature rises, then piston move top dead center to bottom dead center, then in the shaft obtain the brake power due to some heat input are convert into the brake power. So this first is the heat equivalent to the brake power. First is the heat equivalent to brake power. Brake power is equal to W minus S multiplied by pi d Bn divided by 60 watt. Neglecting for the wire rope, when the wire of the rope diameter is neglected, that equation, and brake power of the W minus S into pi dV plus d into N divided 60 when the considered diameter of the wire. In the brake power measurement due to dynamometer, so that time use of the rope, and when rope is used, when a rope diameter is not considered neglected, that time brake power formula is this, and when our rope diameter are considered, that time brake power is equal to Ws minus pi dV plus d and into divided by 60. Second is the heat rejected to the cooling water. You know, when heat are generated during the combustion of fuel, means burning of fuel, that heat 100% not utilized. That heat are due to wall of the cylinder wall increases, and this wall failure some limit of the temperature to maintain the and make a working of the engine cylinder. In this, the mass of fuel is circulated through the cylinder jacket, and in inlet and outlet temperature find out the heat rejected to the cooling water. That means in cylinder make a jacket, that jacket through mass of fluid enter, that mass of that inlet fluid take a heat and out through the outlet of the jacket to go outside. When do inlet to outlet take some heat from the our cylinder to reduce the temperature of the cylinder wall, that Q is equal to, heat is equal to, you are studying thermodynamics, heat is equal to mCv C into delta T. M is the mass and C is the specific heat into delta T मतलब temperature, means temperature difference. Here temperature, outer temperature is the much more inlet temperature, that means T outlet minus T inlet, means the mass of fuel, mass of water, mass of fuel नहीं, mass of water into specific heat of water into output of the water temperature minus input of the input temperature of water. Here are some second type, some heat are outlet through the cooling water, and third is the heat carried away by the exhaust gases, maximum heat carried through the exhaust gases, that take the heat, exhaust gases take a heat, maximum heat, and put on the atmosphere, maximum heat, our internal combustion engine to atmosphere to go through the exhaust gases, that Q is equal to mass of fuel into CPZ, specific heat of the exhaust gases. Here are also the mass of exhaust gases, and TEG, temperature of exhaust gases minus temperature of atmosphere. Uncounted heat. There may be some loss of heat due to friction, leakage, radiation, etc., which cannot be determined through the experimentally. What is the uncounted heat? Some heat are do not measure by the experimentally. Example is friction. During the friction, piston and cylinder wall rubbing the surface due to loss of the heat, that uncounted heat, that heat known as the uncounted heat. Heat balance sheet on an IM maker, heat balance sheet. Here are analysis take a 1 minute. In our mind, take a 1 minute during the how many heat are inlet and how many heat are outlet. That analysis make a tabular form of the heat balance sheet. Heat supplied of the fuel, see that is engine, fuel and air come, that is the heat. Here are generated heat input. Second, heat equivalent to brake power, means the some heat conversion of the brake power use. Second, heat rejected by cooling water. You see here our cooling water inlet and our cooling water is go outside. Some heat go through this cooling water. Then heat carried exhaust gases. Some heat go through our exhaust gases. Uncounted heat means the friction due to and some pumping work, lubrication, that is the uncounted heat. That tabular form represent the heat input, heat out. That analysis is known as the heat balance sheet.